Hello, everyone. I'm Sita from UBIS Technology Co., Ltd. in China, our company that specializes in the development, production, sales, and service of GPS tracking devices. I am very pleased to introduce a popular mini GPS tracker YB04. Its main functions: 1. Real-time GPS and AMP BDS positioning. 2. Anti-theft cut-off engine. 3. ACC ignition detection. 4. Super mini easy hidden. 5. Multiple security alarm and AMP reports. 6. External power disconnect low power alarm, geofence alarm, overspeed alarm. 7. Remotely app web locating and AMP tracking. We have a professional GPS system platform for mobile phones and computers to query and control GPS equipment in real time. Why choose us? Because the quality of our products is stable, the price is very favorable, and the daily shipment is large. If you are interested in our products, welcome your inquiry to buy. For more details, please scan the QR code to our website for more information. See you again. Thanks.